Hey guys, just a quick video on the blackberries. I had to run out here and check on the blackberries because birds are starting to notice them and are trying to take my crop. Look, there go a little juice right there. And it's only a few that's ready. Oh Lord, y'all, somebody baby crying. Got a few under there. I said if I had to take some off, which I got a couple I can take off, I had to show y'all. Look, he been eating on my berry. Look at that child. When these berries get ready, we got to get on down here and get them. Been tearing it up. Oh, I'm so mad. Oh, but I got some more blooms starting. Some more blackberry blooms. Alright, gang. I just wanted y'all to see the blackberries before I pick them off. I was waiting on them to get black to get them. As soon as they turn black, they come get them. Got me a little cup out here to get them. They done already been out here messing with them. Ain't that some shit? I'm mad about that. Because I've been waiting on these berries. Been sitting up here nibbling. Just tearing it up. Let me see this one. Yep, turn them up. Well, they say, grow enough for everybody if you're going to grow. So, alright, guys. I just wanted y'all to see. Oh, Lord. I'll see you guys in the next video. Nico's over there doing a little treatment. Right quick on the corner. Well, he gonna finna do a treatment on everything. Oh, y'all. My little raspberries really ain't doing much. But these blackberries, they making mama proud. Yeah, I put some weed killer on my fence all the way around. All that junk growing out the forest over there behind me. I don't see nothing going on with these grapes yet though. But they look healthy. Alright, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you on this video. I just want to run out here and try to get some off, and a little couple of that's ready. They done already been eating on it. So, let's see. Walk around to the back. Oh. Well, that's one. Well, now I see they been nibbling on it too. Y'all, I finally got these nails done again. Had time to get these nails done. They been tearing my stuff up, y'all. Just that fast. So you got to keep an eye. And we try to come out soon as the sun go down a little bit. Ain't that some? Ain't that some? Alright, y'all. I'm out of here. Peace.